Hello friends, Laravel 11 complete e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB is available to download now, and it contains the 133 parts that we have done so far. And see, this is the admin panel that we have done in this Laravel 11 e-commerce series. I'm going to explain you the steps so that you can able to download it. And the admin panel contains admin management, catalog management, coupons management, pages management, banners management, and front end contains home page, listing page, detail page, shopping cart, login and register, and one page checkout, in which we have also covered multiple prepaid methods, so multiple payment methods, okay, along with COD. So all these things we have done in this Laravel e-commerce website. I'm going to show you that how you can able to download, and after that we are going to run the website as well, okay. So you are required to become a stack developers member to download it, okay. So once you will join as a member, then you will get the complete source code. Actually, you will get the credentials, and you are going to download it from the sidemakers.in. So this is the website, and you are going to get the credentials, and you are going to required to download, and you are required to log in from this website. Here username and password, and you are going to log in, and after that you are going to click on download link, and then it will take you to the download links, and you can see that there are many links are available here. And the first one at the top, you can see download complete Laravel 11 e-commerce website. uh, Here, e-commerce website with MongoDB part 1 to 133. You are just required to click on this, okay. So these credentials you are going to get once you will join as a member. Once you will click on login, there are other steps, like you can join from here, you can join from PayPal, you can join by paying the fees from here, okay. So there are many ways, so that you can join as a member. And if you will join as a member, you will not only get the Laravel 11 e-commerce website, you will also get the Laravel 10 e-commerce website that we have done with the MySQL, and you will also get the multi-vendor e-commerce website. You will get the React.js app as well, and many more websites you are able to get once you will join as a member, okay. So here I'm going to log in to my account, Stack Developers account. So after login, then you are going to click on download. See, now you can see now the link has been changed, and here you can see the click here to download, and you are going to click on this link, and your download will start, okay. So here you can see the download has been started, okay. So once the download has been done, after that we are going to unzip this download, and will save it in our htdocs folder, XAMPP, htdocs, personal, and you can just save it in your htdocs folder, okay. So let it download first. So it has been done. So now I will go to the downloads folder, and I will copy this one to my htdocs folder. I will keep it here, okay. Then I'm going to unzip this one, just unzip this one here. Okay, so I'm going to rename it to the project 11 full, as it's the complete e-commerce website in project 11. So I'm going to make it project 11 full, okay. And here you can see the complete structure of the files, okay. So I'm going to just move this project 11 here in my Sublime, and there are few steps that we are going to follow. So here are the steps. First step is open the website sidemakers.in, and second step is that you are required to log in, and this is the link. You can find these steps under video as well, okay. You are required to join the channel with this link, okay. After joining, you will get the username and password, and that you are going to fill and log in to the sidemakers.in website. and after that you are going to download that zip file, and then we are going to create this project 11 full database in MongoDB. Okay, make sure that you have installed the MongoDB by taking these steps. Okay, and for that you need to follow this series, MongoDB series. Okay, in the first video we able to download the MongoDB and we able to connect it as well, so you can open the playlist in Stack Developers YouTube channel, and please follow that complete series so that you can able to download the MongoDB and connect it with Laravel and can make the e-commerce website. Okay, so here you can see Laravel 11 tutorial with MongoDB. You can follow this complete series. Okay, or you can follow this one, MongoDB tutorial for beginners. Okay, any series you can able to follow, and you can also follow this one, Laravel MongoDB tutorial. Okay, so there are many series and you can follow any of these series and can able to download the MongoDB in your system, whether it is Mac or Windows, and you can able to connect that MongoDB with the Laravel and can start working on and can start making the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. Okay, so these steps see okay, so after that, after downloading the MongoDB, just make the database here. Okay, you can make the connection first of all, and after that you can create the new database as well. Okay, so we are going to create the new database now, and here the database name, we are going to make it project 11 full. Here we will make the test connection and create database. Here are the few other steps that we are going to take. Okay, after creating the database, we are going to update the env database. Okay, so here I'm going to open this env file, and here also we are going to rename it to the project 11 full, and also database.php, we are going to open the database.php file located under config. Here also we are going to make it project 11 full. So after this we are going to run one command, php artisan migrate that fresh seed command. Okay, I'm going to show you that this command we are going to run, php artisan migrate fresh seed. This is the command that will that will create all the tables, all the collections in for our project. Okay, along with the seeder command that will fill up the data. Okay, so I will right click services, new terminal add folder, and here I'm going to run this command. Click on paste and run it. See, it is creating all the required tables. Okay, that are required for the running of our project along with the seeder commands, and everything will run perfectly. Okay, so finally we are going to run the php artisan serve command to run our project, php artisan serve. So our project run finally, and we are going to check that whether it's running perfectly or not. So the project is working fine. Here you can see the project is working, and there are few products that are already added, and you can go to this category, this alone category we have added with the help of migration and seeder. Okay, and there are two products that we have added. You can click on the product and you can see the detail page as well. See, images are not coming that you can add from the admin panel. Okay, so I'm going to open the admin as well. So here is the admin link, admin/login. Link is admin/login, and you can log in with the admin@admin.com as username, and password is 123456. Okay, after login you can see this complete admin panel. Okay, there is the admin management. You can update the password, you can update the details, you can add the sub-admins for roles and permission, and you can see the category structure. Okay, this already we have added with migration and seeder. Okay, and there is one brand also we have added. You can add another brand if you want to add, and two dummy products we have added, but the product images are not there. You can add the images from here. Okay, if you want to add the product images, you can add from here. You can add the product attributes as well. Okay, then it will work fine, and you can see the images as well as the attributes here, so that you can go forward with the payment method, and you can able to make the payment. Okay, so that you can do, And other modules also, you can see that you can add the coupons as well. There are two dummy coupons that we have added so far. You can see the shipping management. Okay, you can add the shipping charges for the other countries. Okay, so you can see the users panel as well. Once the user, you are going to register the new user, the new users will come here. Okay, so you can see the banners management as well. You can add the new banners as well, that will come at the home page. Okay, you will go to the home page. uh, Here, if you will go to the home page, then you can able to see there are banners, slider banners will come up here. Okay, so there may be the slight minor issues that you can resolve of your own. Okay, and you can see the CMS pages as well, that will show up here. Okay, and these are the things, basic e-commerce website that we have done with the Laravel and MongoDB. Okay, and you can try this at your end as well. After joining as a member, you will get this complete e-commerce website. Okay, so I hope that you will join as a member and will able to download this e-commerce series, and you can always contact me if you feel face any issue. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.